are not many of these units because of their slightly reduced size. They cost significantly fewer DVC points to stay. They're in very high demand. Very hard to secure a Value DVC studio, 1-bedroom, 2-bedroom unit. Here is a map of the resort. Over on the left is Kidani Village, part of Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge. Over on the right is the Jambo House area of the resort. This is where you will find the Value Disney Vacation Club units here at Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge. If we zoom in a little more closely, we can see that there are a few, and only a few, units which look out towards the swimming pool of Jambo House. I've actually stayed in a Value studio unit in this area on a prior visit. Then here are the Value units in the Ostrich Trail area, which either overlook the parking area at the front of the resort or a Savanna view, which is what Nancy and I had during our stay in January 2025.
Hey, it's Dan from Nancy and Dan Travel to Disney, and today we are taking a room tour of the 1-bedroom Value unit at Disney's Animal Kingdom in Jambo House. So come along and take a tour. This is the Value 1-bedroom. A little bit different from the standard 1-bedroom unit. This is room 5130. Obviously, before you get into the room, you notice the beautiful artistry on the door. And each door has slightly different. Each door is a slightly different shield. Now, not completely different. They have about 6 of these different collection of shields, but it's just some of the artistry that you won't find anywhere else on Disney property. Okay, let's go in and take a look. We're at 5130 Disney Vacation Club at Disney's Animal Kingdom Jambo House, the Value 1-bedroom unit. And here's the door to the studio. This combines to a 2-bedroom unit. But Nancy and I are here using just the 1-bedroom unit, so that remains locked. And as we enter, we can see in the distance the living room. Closer to us then, the eating area. And then closer to us, where we are right now, is the kitchen. Let's start with the kitchen then. So it's a galley type of arrangement. Got a nice island here. You can see we've already have some of our water bottles and other groceries installed. Now these units have not been refurbished for a long time. I'd say the next 2-ish years, and this is just my thinking, that they would be up for a refurb. You can see some of the wear and tear here. We've got, again, full refrigerator, freezer, and that freezer is pretty cool. Manual ice cube. Gonna have to fill that out once we finish the tour. We have ice cubes. And again, lots of groceries already in there for us. Good size. A 4-toaster toaster. There you go, that rhymes. Again, as we scan around, and I won't mention this all the time, but just have an eye out for these additional touches with the theming here from Disney Imagineers. We have real glasses and wine glasses, stemware. Start to see some of the cooking pots and pans, real microwave, good size, and it's not down low, very reachable. Full electric stove. There's the dishwasher. There. Paper towel, lots and lots of electrical outlets, as you'll see. Sink. So, I'll show you a few more. Real plates. Real bowls, not the paper or plastic kind. Good sized coffee mugs. We do like our coffee in the mornings. Yes. Ooh. Like those. Yes, we put those in, not to worry. They were not here when we arrived. So we've got the closet. Should be some things hanging in here already, perhaps. There's the suitcases and some of Nancy's dresses. Good sized closet. again, take a look at the theming touches on the kitchen table. Let's go down just to look at that hoof. Good sized table, bench, 2 chairs. And then look at this. Excellent storage area right here in the living room. Where yes, we've got baby Simba, and we have 2 pairs of electrical outlets, each with a pair of USB connectors. 4 drawers for storage. This is outstanding. It really is. Again, nicely themed and table. Very comfortable chair. It's not a swivel chair. Got some of Nancy's running outfits there. We're here Marathon Weekend, January 2025. And again, doing a night tour here because you're going to be spending most of your time in here during the night, not during the day necessarily. And again, look at the theming here of the lamp, the table lamp, the end table. And there's the pull-out couch, the sofa bed. Continue with the theming now. Also interesting, these units have 2 thermostats. Here's one in the living room, and then we'll see one in the bedroom as well. All right, continuing. In the hallway, look at that. Beautiful. Hallway, bedroom is to the left. We'll see that momentarily. Bathroom to the right, but straight ahead is the washer and dryer. Again, it's 1 bedroom unit. 1 bedroom Disney Vacation Club unit here at Jambo House, Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge. So it comes with a washer and dryer. And then for the bathroom itself, this is a good size. Lots of maneuverability, especially if you have a walker or wheelchair. The toilet, separate room here. And this is a really good sized toilet. And the light on there. This is lots of maneuverability. A walker, easily. Don't think you can get a scooter in here, however. But again, it depends on the size of the scooters. Come in all kinds of shapes and sizes. But it's a really good size. And unlike some other hotels, what have you, they don't necessarily have a separate room for the toilet. We prefer that. And you have full length mirror here. Let's close that so I don't keep seeing myself. All right. Now, for you seniors, this is one bone of contention, as they say. Okay, continuing. So here's the toilet, and this is a very large step-up tub. Yes, it's a jacuzzi tub, which is great, but there's no separate walk-in shower. It's the bathtub. And it's a 20.5-inch height step-up bathtub. Look at the theming. Beautiful. The Lion King game. Now the Savanna. This is not a grab bar. This is a bath towel holder. And some of the seniors on the Disney for Seniors online community, Facebook, website, Instagram, Threads, Blue Sky, all the social media, most of the social media, that there is not a separate handheld shower that many seniors prefer. Okay, now we have in large writing, as requested by some of the seniors, large writing on the shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. And just turn around here. The disappointment for me is that there is only 1 sink. And Nancy and I travel, usually the 2 of us or more. So 1 sink in a room that can sleep 5 seems a little bit, I don't know. I'll let you use the adjective of what that might be. There's 1 sink in here. There are no drawers. These are fixed. Okay? No drawers. So not as much storage. That's large room and additional hooks.
And now for the bedroom itself. There is the large dresser with a pair of electrical outlets and USB outlets as we see beneath the large TV screen. There is a table and chair here in the corner with, once again, its own set of electric outlets, 3 of them, plus a pair of USB outlets. Each side of the bed has its own nightstand with a lamp and, yes, even more electrical and USB outlets. As for the balcony, now that it is daytime, we can show you the view from our 1-bedroom Value DVC unit here at Disney's Animal Kingdom Jambo House. Okay, now for the reveal. Patience, so be sure to subscribe to our Disney-related travel channel for older adults and seniors, and click that bell icon to be notified when future videos from our channel are released, including the first ever checklist room tour for seniors by seniors. I think you just might be surprised. Here now is a video from our Nancy and Dan Travel to Disney channel for older adults and seniors of a previous room tour we did that was not a value type of room, so you can see the differences for yourself. Plus another randomly selected Disney-related travel video for you to enjoy. Do let us know in the comments to this video what you think of this value 1-bedroom unit. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.